Hello guys and welcome back to ANTARES. In today's video we're going to talk about how to download, install and run extension of Google Chrome in your Windows 7 PC. So we are here on the official website of Google Chrome. So I'll give the link in description. You just go there, you will be directed here. Just click on download Chrome, accept and install. This is for Windows 7 64-bit, as you have seen there. Click on download again. As you can see here, 64-bit for Windows 7, 10, 8.1 or whatever operating system you might be using. Okay. Just click on run. It's downloading the installer online, so you have to wait for a few seconds so that it completes its task. So here we are ready to go. You need to sign in with your Gmail ID if you have. If you don't have, you need to create a new one. If you want to know how that creates, I will show you in the next video. Just sign in by click on here. Type in your Gmail ID or the phone number with which you have registered. And now click on next. Type in your password. Hit enter. And you are in Google Chrome. You're ready to go now. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Like this video and share the video with your friends, and do subscribe to our channel for more daily updates.